Curved staircase, weld everything together. Stairwell setup is coming up here next. We got to do a little kind of pony wall, just a small little pony wall right on the side of these stairs. This one kind of got changed kind of mid progress. So this one's going to get an iron railing on it. So we've got to kind of hustle and get that in ready for them to. They're coming in first thing next week to start doing their templating and measuring. They'll set up a frame on it and be able to, you know, kind of curve that steel around on the stairwell. Okay, I've got all the plywood strips glued on, screwed on. Now we're going to have to trim it off a little bit and then ready for drywall. Drywall board is on. Now we're ready for corner beads, mud, tape, all the hard stuff. Floor guys just started our all the steps and noses here. We see we've got white risers, and the treads are coming next. A lot of time, a lot of cuts, a lot of precision goes on something like this. Some curved angles, both sides. Here's some of their the kind of templates that they'll use. Everything's precision fit in there, so that's amazing work. All right, we just did the final clear out and clean up, and this one's ready to turn back over to the lucky homeowners. They've been eager to get in here. They started moving a few things in here this past week. So this is, of course, the nice grand entrance, beautiful curved staircase, curved railing. Sylvan and his team did a phenomenal job here on this custom curved iron railing, just amazing. And of course our floor installers, Eric and Ralph, excellent job on the curved staircase. That's not easy to do at all. It took them a couple days to get that in there. And then, yeah, everything turned out amazing. Nice and clean, super clean lines. This is just drywall right up to here. Nice and clean, then the railing. So much detail goes into this iron railing. Just amazing work to weld everything together. The little balls here on the top, in the middle, and the bottom, and to be able to line that all up so that it all lines up all the way up, and then on the curve as well. So super detailed work, and it turned out phenomenal.